Okay, we got our bag. Let's head to Whole Foods. Okay, here is the frozen options right now. Organic sliced peaches here at Whole Foods are $14.79 for 32 ounces. These were, I think, way cheaper at Sprouts. I'm gonna have to compare the two prices when I go back to edit this video, but wow, $14.79 for 32 ounces of organic sliced peaches. What else do they got here? Organic blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, nothing on sale. Organic strawberries, $8.79. You can get strawberries and bananas for $5.99 and the berry blend for $8.79. Organic mango for $3.89. Sweet cherries, $3.99. There. Oh, here's more organic sliced peaches, $3.89. Okay, so that's about. I'll have to double check. Okay, and here's what they're advertising as low price. Here at Whole Foods Market, California blend veggies, $2.49. Mixed mushrooms. Oh, that's good. Organic mixed frozen mushrooms. Sliced white cremini portobello and shiitake mushrooms for $3.49. I'm gonna get one of those. That's actually a pretty good deal on organic mushrooms. I like to get them frozen because then I can use them anytime. I don't have to use them right away. Okay, and then they have a pepper blend for $2.69. That's not organic. Here's a big bag. Oh no, that's just a regular bag. $2.69. Veggies. Oh, potatoes. Orange and yellow carrots, parsnips, and red onions. Wow, that's pretty cool. Then they have a Mediterranean blend. These are fun blends. These are hard to find at other stores. Like, usually it's just basic stuff, but these are some fun stir-fry blends. Organic, $2.69 for a pound. Wow. That's not bad. $2.69 for a pound of organic veggies. Here's like a Mediterranean blend. That's fun. So you could just basically get one of these, then pair it with a protein, and have a meal ready to go. Maybe we'll do that. Sweet potatoes, orange and red carrots, parsnips, and red onions. That'd be good for roasting. $2.69. Okay, let's get some of those. Let's get one of each. Okay, so far, organic frozen vegetables are a better deal here at Whole Foods. Oh, here's even more. Mixed vegetables, $2.69. White corn, $2.69. Chopped, oh, frozen chopped kale, $2.49 for organic frozen chopped kale. You could put that in smoothies, you guys. That's awesome. I want to get that just to store in my freezer for like emergencies. I've never seen that before as frozen kale. I've seen chopped spinach. Here's carrots, broccoli. Oh, organic corn on the cob, frozen. My son loves corn on the cob. Let's get him one of those. Oh, organic riced cauliflower, $2.79. Haricot vert. Wow, good job, Whole Foods. Way to go. Okay, look, they have organic frozen steak cut fries for $3.69 here at Whole Foods. That's actually a pretty good deal for organic frozen potatoes. To freeze potatoes, you have to like cook them first, so it's kind of a pain in the butt to freeze them. So I do like to buy them frozen just to have on hand for quick meals. Looks like they also have straight cut fries too. I'm gonna get some of these steak fries because I think my husband will like them. Yeah, $3.69 for organic steak cut fries. What's in here? Sunflower seed oil. I know that some people don't like seed oils, but he doesn't really care about that. Okay, I think the lesson here at Whole Foods is if you're gonna buy organic frozen stuff, it's best to get the, oh, they even have organic frozen jasmine rice and brown rice for $6.79. Wow, that's cool. That makes easy meals. Oh, I have some ideas here. Let's get one of these brown rices. Sorry, they got totally distracted. Anyways, I think that the lesson here is to buy the Whole Foods brand. because if you're going to be buying brand name stuff, it's going to be more expensive, but buying the Whole Foods brand actually is pretty good. And I have a bunch now of meal ideas using frozen food here from Whole Foods. Like this brown rice could go really well with the stir-fried veggies. Where are they? They're somewhere down there. I can make a dish with that tofu. And then I could do like corn on the cob with maybe this root vegetable. Where is it? I'm pulling out the wrong thing. There's like a root vegetable blend. I could do mushrooms, steak cut fries. I could do mushrooms with the fries. That'd be good. Okay, so I have a lot of meal ideas using this organic frozen food here at Whole Foods. Okay, that's it for me today here at Whole Foods. Let's go do a checkout here. All right, so I just got back from Whole Foods Market now. I was pleasantly surprised at the amount of organic frozen food that they have in the vegetable and fruit section. I actually bought a lot of frozen organic items that I'm going to use for quick weeknight dinners, like steak cut fries, stir fry blend, corn on the cob, medium blend. Mediterranean blend. Brown rice, chopped kale, root vegetables, mixed mushrooms, and then I bought about 3.2 pounds of organic carrots. So I'm excited about those frozen items because now I have a bunch of dinner ideas that I'm going to be doing. Hopefully make a video out of some of those. Well, anyways, thanks so much for shopping with me today. I hope that this inspired you to do some organic meal prep and see that you can actually eat organic on a budget. It doesn't have to be super expensive. All right, well, I hope that you like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you become a member, then you actually get my videos first. You get early access to videos. So consider becoming a member and supporting my channel if you like what I'm sharing. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.